Business Cleaning Solutions here to talk about what you can expect after hiring us for a new commercial cleaning service. We try to make commercial cleaning easier for our customers. The BCS cleaning system was designed to get your workplace back up to an acceptable level of cleanliness and keep it there. We begin with a deep cleaning or initial cleanup. Think of this as a restorative clean. When a new vendor has been hired, it's usually because the cleaning had been lacking. As a result, there's often visible buildup and accumulation. The new crew must roll up their sleeves and put in extra effort to get things turned around. Management is on site to ensure that the cleaning meets our high standards. The ultimate goal, to do what it takes to get your business looking good again. For some neglected facilities, the deep clean could also involve the need to perform extra cleaning services such as carpet cleaning, floor work, window cleaning, or pressure washing. These services are also quoted separately. After the deep cleaning has your facility looking its best, then the regular cleaning begins. Regular cleaning or routine cleaning follows the scope of work as described in the service contract. Here is some insight into how regular cleaning works. Think about your business for a moment. Are there multiple offices, kitchens, and bathrooms? Ever wonder how exactly do they do it? In short, in some areas the crew cleans where needed, as needed, meaning if it's dirty, we clean it. In other areas, we clean it every time, no matter what the crew sees or smells. Take vacuuming for instance. Not every square foot of carpet is vacuumed every service. That would take a really long time. Instead, high traffic areas are addressed each time, such as the lobby and main hallways. In contrast, quieter spaces such as private offices are vacuumed as needed. Did someone accidentally hip check a prized potted orchid off their desk? We would vacuum that office. Common areas and shared facilities such as lobbies, kitchens, and bathrooms get more cleaning time and attention each service. They naturally have more routine tasks that are completed each time, no matter what. Examples can include the cleaning of countertops, sinks, toilets, and wet mopping of the floors. The scope of work lists the areas that are serviced and the cleaning tasks to be performed in each area. In order to create the scope of work, our service consultants do a site walk. They'll survey which areas are to receive cleaning services and which ones are to be left out. They'll note things like the cleanable square footage, the number of kitchens and bathrooms, and other key pieces of information. Sanitation requirements can vary depending upon the industry. For instance, cleaning a law office is much different than a medical facility. Additionally, since no two facilities are the same, neither are the cleaning needs. During the early meetings, our service consultants will discuss your facility's cleaning challenges. They will then create a scope of work that is customized to meet your needs. This leads us to the detailed days cleaning schedule, which is where certain tasks within the scope of work are divvied up and assigned to specific days, weeks, or even months. It allows our cleaning crew to focus and put more attention on certain work areas or personal spaces. As contracts and frequency of cleaning can vary, so also can the details days schedule. We plan ahead, following a weekly, monthly, quarterly, or even annual schedules. For example, dusting windowsills might be performed once a week, while the high dusting of ceiling air vents might be a monthly task. Quarterly, a parking lot trash enclosure might be pressure washed. Annually, all outside windows get squeegee cleaned. Detailed days scheduling also enables us to better meet your needs. With a little coordination, the cleaning can be much more thorough. As an example, consider desk cleaning. In commercial cleaning, the crew will not rearrange or disturb your workspace. This is an industry standard practice, but don't worry, there is a solution. Coordinate a detailed day schedule for desk cleaning. On the assigned day, before going home, your employees can voluntarily clear their own desk spaces of paperwork and personal items. With more desk space opened up, the cleaners can access that much more. Goodbye dust bunnies and coffee rings. We hope this helps you better understand what to expect when hiring Business Cleaning Solutions as your new commercial cleaning vendor. Cleaning a large facility might seem like an insurmountable challenge to the untrained eye, but a properly trained professional always uses a system, and following a system ensures consistency. Have questions? Call us today. At Business Cleaning Solutions, we're at your service.